free preset pack giveaway, 17k, almost at 18k. Shout out to the notification squad for the ongoing support, man. I've got a preset pack for you, so if you're mixing and mastering your own stuff at home, then this video is definitely for you. Spend a couple of minutes, chop it up, and I'm going to show you how to install as well as run through each preset type. So if you're into that, stick around. Don't forget to smash that like button as well as to subscribe. Let's get it. Alrighty, so here we have the presets that you can download, link in the description. And we'll take a listen to 2 beats that I have, just random old beats that I have. And you know, so first thing first, we will show you how to install them. So for those using FL Studio 20, you will download these presets right here. As you can see, you've got each different type of VST that I've used, all kind of categorized for you. The links are right here as well with the install directory, but I'll show you pretty much how to drag and drop them. So for example, once you've installed all of the third-party VSTs, like for example the Purist Air, Stereo Effects, etc., you will then at least see, you should see an FL Studio Fruity wrapper, you know, with the plugin name. So we're gonna go for Busscolor4 as an example. I'm gonna double click there. As you can see, there are no presets that come with the VST. You can take my ones, right, that you've downloaded, and then drag and drop. And now we should check in FL. It should have updated. So there you go. We've got some presets used. So I'm just going to run through basically. If you are interested in a full in-depth look at mastering, you can check out my course as well. I do have a nice, you know, full half an hour that you can sit down and watch with many different sections on mastering. And you can use the code 808 for 35% off. But yeah, so the first thing I'll do is I'll play the track without the mastering chain enabled. So this track is going straight to the master, and we'll just take a listen to what it sounds like. So it's nice, but it's lacking analog warmth and depth. So, you know, we'll now route our channel to this mastering chain. So it's running through all of these plugins. As you can see right there, it does make quite a bit of a difference. We've got this beat right here, and in the course we mastered this beat. So all of these presets you see is what we end up with in the course. And as you can hear right there, there's, you know, a nice kind of dimension now added to the beat, you know, especially with this instrumental right here now that I'm listening to. This is the first time I ran this beat through, and it sounds pretty damn good. You know, so, you know, we've got all these presets right here, man. We've got the Channel7, which is nice analog emulation, Busscolor4, analog emulation. We run into this EQ then, you know, we've got all sorts of cool stuff, man. But I won't, you know, leave you too long. Hopefully you enjoy the presets, make use of them. Definitely try, you know, bypassing everything, make use of all the different preset styles. You know, try everything, see what you like, and apply it to your master channel. So obviously it would be on the master channel right there. But yeah, man, hope you have a good weekend, and I'll check you out next time. Peace out.